Welcome, today in front of me LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So now when I'm saying Hey Google or OK Google, you can see that this feature is activated, and if you want to turn it off, you should go here to this Google application. After that, click on this icon, then go to the settings and tap to the voice section, then click to the voice match. And to turn off this feature, you should click here only once on this feature and then click here to OK. And now when I'm saying Hey Google or OK Google, we can see that this feature is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.